In this video, I'll show you how to set up recurring payments in Wise. Step 1. Log into the Wise app or website. Access your Wise account and go to the home dashboard. I'll leave a link to wise.com in the description down below. Step 2. Click Send or Scheduled Payments. Choose to start a new transfer and select the scheduled or recurring payment option. Step 3. Select recipient and enter details. Pick your recipient from saved context or add a new one. Specify the amount, currency and payment method. Step 4. Choose payment frequency and dates. Select the frequency weekly, monthly or custom. Set the start and end dates for your recurring payment. Step 5. Confirm and activate recurring payment. Review all details carefully, confirm and enable your regular payment schedule. Step 6. Manage scheduled transfers. Track, pause, edit or cancel any scheduled payments from your Wise account scheduled transfers section. Now I have some tips for recurring payments in Wise. Always ensure your Wise balance or payment method is funded. Update or cancel recurring payments as needed if circumstances change. Use recurring payments for rent, subscriptions, payroll and family transfers. And that's how you set up recurring payments on Wise. If you found this video helpful, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.